बात करें तो उनके पास एक ऐसी बैटिंग लाइन है जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मेच्योरनेस नजर आ रही है और बॉलिंग में भी एग्जैक्टली ऐसा ही है.
Because on a track which was not offering that much pace, where the batsman can easily play their shots, and this guy looks like he has all the time to play the shot.
Game plan. Yeah. Simple game plan. You take your time. I'll score runs for you. At the same time, Sky was scoring runs at the high speed.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड. आप चाहें तो इस वीडियो को 1 मिनट स्किप कर सकते हैं. इंडिया वर्सेस अफगानिस्तान के आज के मैच तो तकरीबन वन साइडेड रहा, लेकिन एक पॉइंट पर ऐसा लग रहा था कि इस मैच में अफगानिस्तान काफ़ी फाइट बैक करेगी, लेकिन पांड्या और स्काई की एक पार्टनरशिप ने पूरा का पूरा पानी फेर दिया अफगानिस्तान की उम्मीदों पर. एक मुश्किल पिच पर बहुत ही शानदार बैटिंग की है दोनों बैट्समैनों ने. एक पॉइंट पर ऐसा लग रहा था कि हो सकता है कि कम स्कोर बने, लेकिन दोनों बैट्समैन बहुत ही शानदार प्लानिंग के साथ खेले हैं. अब आइंदा आने वाले मैचेस में देखना यह है कि कौन सी टीम पिच के हिसाब से एडजस्ट करती है खुद को, क्योंकि बहुत ही मुश्किल पिचेस नज़र आ रही हैं ज़्यादातर. और इस वर्ल्ड कप की अगर बात की जाए तो हो सकता है सेमीफाइनल में कोई ऐसी टीम आपको नज़र आए जो पहली बार सेमीफाइनल के लिए क्वालिफाई करे, क्योंकि आप जानते हैं कि टॉप 8 टीम में से पहले ही 2 बार हो चुकी हैं. तो इस तरह आप वीडियो देखिए और वीडियो को एंजॉय करें.
बात करें तो उनके पास एक ऐसी बैटिंग लाइन है जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मेच्योरनेस नज़र आ रही है और बॉलिंग में भी एग्जैक्टली ऐसा ही है. तो मेरे ख्याल से एक फुल उनकी टीम है जो कि वो कहते हैं ना कि इंग्रेडिएंट्स सारे उनके पास मौजूद हैं. और अगर आप
यूनुस बनाता कौन है?
नहीं देखिए, वही वाली बात जो हम पहले कर रहे थे, जो बीच में कमर्शियल वो आ गया था कि हम टॉस पे चले गए थे. एक पॉइंट जो बड़ा हमने अच्छे रेस किया था कि टीमें बनती कैसे हैं. टीमें बनती इस तरह है कि इस तरह टीमें नहीं बनती कि आप सबको निकाल लें या सबको ले आए. अगर आज विराट कोहली की बात करते हैं तो विराट कोहली के सामने कौन थे?
सचिन.
शुएब अख्तर के सामने कौन थे जब शुएब अख्तर टीम में आए थे? यूनुस खान जब आए थे तो कौन थे सामने? सईद अनवर. तो देखिए, ये आपको अब इस तरह करना होता है. फॉर सम हाउ हम डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे तो फिर थोड़ा पर्सनल हो जाएगा कि किस तरह फिर निकाले गए और वो फिर वही एक वही दोबारा डिबेट शुरू हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं. देखिए, आप टीम में प्लेयर्स रखें, वो प्लेयर रखें, वो सीनियर रखें जो कि रोल मॉडल्स हों, और फिर उसके बाद फिर आप यंगस्टर बनते हैं. आज अगर हम अपनी टीम की बात करें, हमारे पास यंगस्टर नहीं है, हमारे पास क्योंकि उनके सामने है ही कोई नहीं. तो देखिए, इस तरह टीमें बनती है जैसे अभी हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं. और जो टीम अफगानिस्तान की बात करूंगा तो उनके पास कोई प्लान नजर नहीं आ रहा था. देखिए, आपको जब चेस करना होता है ना, देखिए एक चेस करने में और पोस्ट करने में फर्क है. पोस्ट आप करें, ठीक है. आप अगर हम टीम इंडिया की बात करें तो वहां भी 40 ऑड्स की एक पार्टनरशिप है, फिर 60 ऑड की एक पार्टनरशिप है. ज़्यादा पार्टनरशिप नहीं है, लेकिन ये आप ठीक है, एक्सेप्टेबल है जब आप पोस्ट कर रहे हो. लेकिन जब आप चेस कर रहे हो तो उसमें ये नहीं हो सकता कि आप सभी एक तरीके से खेलें. किसी 1-2 बैटर्स को जाके टिल एंड तक खेलना होता है. बेशक ये हार जाते हैं, लेकिन ये 47 से नहीं हार सकते थे. ये हार जाते, जैसे यूएस हारा 18 रन से हार गया. ठीक है, आप मानते हैं कि पावर प्ले में आप एग्रेसिव खेलें, लेकिन कितने एग्रेसिव खेल सकते हैं? पावर प्ले में ये तो नहीं हो सकता कि आपने जो 180 रन चेस करने हो पावर प्ले में कर लेने. ऐसा नहीं हो. चेज और पोस्ट करने में बहुत फर्क होता है.
Right, a big difference between chasing a target and posting the runs. And I think when Rashid said earlier at the toss that he would have also wanted to bat first, you can see
it was such a strong statement from India. 47-run win, very similar to what we saw from England against the West Indies, the defending champions in the early hours of the morning, Hafiz. A lot of brilliant individual performances from India today, but who stood out for you?
I think Surya Kumar Yadav, the way he batted, because on a track which was not offering that much pace, where the batsman can easily play their shots, and this guy looks like he has all the time to play the shot. I said it earlier that he seems like an unorthodox brilliance, the way he plays, the way he executes his skills. So I'm really impressed with the knock he played today. The most impressive part was he took on straight away to the main bowler of Afghanistan. Rashid was getting wickets. He straight away attacked on him. As I said earlier, to tackle any quality spinner, you need to have attacking option against him. Once he started playing that, he looks like a different batsman. So I think, to me, the way he batted, he makes sure that India should manage to get that total on the board where their bowling can defend it. So I think all credit goes to Surya Kumar Yadav.
A quick look at the match summary to refresh our minds what happened when India won the toss and they chose to bat first. 181 is what they posted on the board thanks to Surya Kumar Yadav and that blistering knock. 53 of 28. Hardik Pandya with 32 off his bat. Another all-rounders innings from him. Kohli just getting started but not quite staying there. 24 from his bat, and Rishabh Pant with 20 off 11. A fiery contribution from him. Bowling की अगर हम बात करें, Captain Rashid leading with the ball, 3 wickets to his name off his 4 overs, giving away 26 runs. Fazal Haq Farooqi a little bit on the expensive side today, but 3 wickets to his name as well out of his 4 wickets. And of course Naveenul Haq picking up 1 wicket, giving 40 runs as well. चेस की अगर हम बात करें तो थोड़ा सा पार्टनरशिप्स की जो लैक ऑफ पार्टनरशिप्स की हम अभी बात कर रहे थे वो क्लियरली नजर आ रहा था from the Afghanistan batters, so not much from their top 3, but then of course we saw Umar Zai with 26, Najibullah versus in that South Africa match, then the England and West Indies match, Phil Salt playing that blinder, and now once again we are seeing some runs in the Caribbean. About time, I think.
New conditions for India, though. It's their first game in the Caribbean. They did play all of their group matches in the US of A. But one man who had no time to waste when it came to adapting to conditions was Surya Kumar Yadav. The sky was literally the limit once again for the great man with the back-to-back 50.
Well, that's the key to setting big totals and chasing big totals.
How did he neutralize Rashid Khan? Cross-backed. What did I
As
say
he
to you in the
mentioned
beginning?
earlier.
Thank you
The
very
batting
much.
coach of Pakistan
Marty said
incumbent.
he got out. I said,
But the good thing about his batting that he can take ball from the front of his eye.
No.
So that was the key. He used that pace of Rashid Khan. So that's how he can manage well.
I tried to
against him.
slog sweep him.
Sorry?
I tried to slog sweep him, that's why.
Because if you looked at his wagon wheel, he was literally scoring all around the park. There was no quadrant that was left untouched. When we talk about baby AB de Villiers, Mr. 360, he's like the incumbent, isn't he now, Surya Kumar Yadav? Yunus, where do you bowl to him when he's in this kind of form? And he's just finding his form at the right time now. Back-to-back 50s, he's looking ominous.
Maybe you mix up your pace more against him, and sometimes you can as a fast bowler you can.
I've seen him getting out
Yeah.
many times.
But with spinners, it's hard job to bowl against him.
Just don't bother, I reckon.
So let him score. I've seen him, when you see somebody's playing like this, the only option you're left behind with either he hit the stumps or try him with the bounces.
But
how many hits that he's going to hit?
Retire here.
Yeah.
How much he hits? How many hits that he's going to go for 6? One miscue. That's it. That's all you need. You go for a 20, 30 runs. Go for 20, 40 runs. That's fine. But he still managed to get the wickets.
और spinners को क्या करना चाहिए अपना?
I think he has a great range of shot against spinner. He used his feet well. He has that sweep shot very well. So I think, as you said earlier, as a spinner, if you go with the light variation, you can give a little bit more
air in the
air, and also you can sometimes, if you see he's already going for a sweep shot, you can go for a straight yorker to him. These are the things you can try. But he took him on straight away.
Yeah.
Who got the best options? Like Rashid is the main bowler. He was getting wickets, and I'm really impressed the way he took him on straight away. Straight away he went for a different sweep shots, different range of shot, and then they were under pressure.
And that pressure never really settled off of Afghanistan bowling. Agar hum dekhen, after that platform was set by Sky, Hardik Pandya came in and he just carried it on so beautifully. He didn't have the best IPL fees. He was struck
between him and Sky, I think, taken the game away from Afghanistan.
ये सारों को तो पता है यहाँ विकेटें आसान नहीं है. अमेरिका से बेहतर विकेट लगे थे फिर भी आसान विकेट नहीं. टेक्निकली इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लेयर हैं कि एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं. लेकिन but he has given time to Hardik Pandya. Sky given a time to Hardik Pandya. You settle in for 4 overs. That's fine. I'll keep on scoring runs. When time comes, you'll hit it.
and that's what they
Look
did.
how the mindset works.
It's also simple,
Aaron.
isn't it? Simple game plan.
Simple game plan. You take your time. I'll score runs for you. At the same time, Sky was scoring runs at the high speed, but at the same time, you must give credit to Rashid Khan.
Yeah.
He never took himself off. He could have taken himself off. कह सकता था यार लगा हुआ बाद में कर लूँ दो तो ले ली हैं लेकिन फिर आया. He kept on trying कि यार मैं इसके सूर्य कुमार की विकेट ले जाऊँ. This is the character of the man. As a captain, he kept on coming. He didn't let other spinners यार तू कर ले यार तू आ जा मैं बच जाता हूँ. करते हैं लोग.
नहीं मुझे नहीं पता.
तुम्हें सारा कुछ पता है. तुम अब्दुल्ला हो.
देखिए
अब्दुल्ला तुम्हें सारा पता है.
मेरे ख्याल से हमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना चाहिए.
Exactly.
कि 4 आउट होने के बाद भी एक ऐसा पेयर खेल रहा है जो कि अगर 10 ओवर 7 खेल जाते तो 80 रन और हो जाते
they would be thinking of that.
तो कितनी
क्योंकि आगे
लग्जरी
आने
आपके
वाले
पास।
उनके ओपोनेंट आसान नहीं है बिल्कुल भी।
हम बात कर रहे हैं कि T20 में आप आगे कैसे निकल जाते हो और पीछे क्यों रह जाते हो, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मिडिल पीरियड।
Yeah.
सो दे वर गुड एट एट दैट टाइम ओवर देयर। सो मेरे ख्याल से ये वो पॉइंट है जो कि हमने आज सीखा है। और ऑपोजिट अगर टीम अफगानिस्तान को देख लें तो उनका मिडल में वो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये एक ट्रिकी पॉइंट है जो कि, और कल जैसे कल के मैच में भी यही हुआ टीम वेस्ट इंडीज़ के पास। तो मेरे ख्याल से देखिए जो मिडिल पीरियड है यहाँ पे आपको बड़ा अच्छा खेलना है। आप खेलोगे क्योंकि पिचेस आपके सामने ही है। अगर ठीक है वैसे न्यूयॉर्क की तरह नहीं है, यूएस की तरह नहीं है, लेकिन
फिर भी आसान नहीं है।
कुछ ना कुछ सरप्राइज होगा,
कुछ तो कुछ
प्रिपेयर आपने रहना।
इवन स्पिनर के लिए भी आसान नहीं है क्योंकि अब स्लो है तो स्पिनर को भी बहुत ज्यादा, जैसे आप राशिद खान की बात करें, वो थोड़ा तेज इसलिए बॉल कर रहे थे क्योंकि बॉल पुश मिल जाए। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये दोनों के लिए इजी नहीं है, लेकिन वो ये बात है कि आपने अपने लिए इजी कैसे करना है, जैसे इन दोनों ने किया।
Right. Talking about the conditions, and of course that's what Rohit Sharma also said at the toss. He could tell, reading from that pitch, that it will get slower in the second half, and that's what they wanted to do, to capitalize, to get as many runs on the board as they could and then leave it to their bowlers, and that's what happened.
Yeah, well, a decent track compared to some of the ones that we've seen in this T20 World Cup for sure. I mean, 180 was scored in that first innings, but Jasprit Bumrah, he comes on, he makes the wicket seem like he's back in the US of A.
On the planter, because he reads the pitch and the situation so better than anybody else, because that he doesn't have a long run up to think about it. He just comes on the crease and thinks about how I'm going to get the people out. What he does, he gets on the variation. This variation is that which you need as a bowler, and that's what I was looking for from Afghanistan bowlers. Variation जाओ लेंथ बॉल कर रहा है नवीन, लेंथ बॉल कर रहा है, वो कहाँ करेगा, वो एंगल तुम्हारा ये बन रहा है। सो Bumrah, top notch fast bowler.
It's nice to see him with the new ball too. And Siraj wasn't there, so he did get the new ball. And look, he gets both the openers in a matter of balls. Do you like seeing him with the new ball? Should India be taking that route?
He's missing out on many wickets, not bowling with the new ball. I mean, like, you got to be very selfish. I know he's a great team man. He gave his position to a youngster. You bowl, you get some wickets. But very nice to see him. But for him to bowl a new ball, I think he's going to add up about 100 wickets in the next 2 years.
It's almost like he not gets punished, but takes one for the team in order, because he can bowl anywhere versus perhaps some of the others in the line.
Afghanistan and all of their departments working for them.
Yeah, they take a lot of momentum, confidence, the fact that they're probably the best team in this tournament so far. They just keep rolling on. I don't think you can say Bangladesh is an easier opponent coming up, because they've been playing some very good cricket as well. I still think India will be too strong for that game, but they pose a different challenge altogether. They have to re-prepare for another game. That's the beauty about a World Cup. You play a different team every game. So you can't just scout the same players. You've got to go through a whole different set of players, whole different set of bowlers, batters, fielders, all these different sorts of things to be ready for the next game. But India are a world-class outfit, and they'll be ready for that. But yeah, it should be a great game, that one. I'm looking forward to it.
It's going to be an awesome game, and Bangladesh as well. They've got almost back-to-back matches. It's a bit confusing with the time zones, but they've got Australia in 5:30 a.m. Pakistan time, and then on our time the next day at night they play India. So really quick games back-to-back. Should it go well against Australia, perhaps that momentum leading into the match against India would give them a lot of confidence and perhaps give them a chance to upset India. But Shoaib, they're looking like a pretty well-oiled unit, aren't they, the Indians at the moment? Like a very, very strong prospect of this year's T20 World Cup.
Well, if you look at the Indians team, I think they've got every corner covered. I mean, when it comes to bowling, they got Bumrah, they got Siraj, they got Jadeja, they got Kuldeep, they got Akshar, and the wicket's going to support them at the same time, and they showed.
And I think with the batting we can look at, I mean, it's not always the same person scoring the runs. No. First game, Rohit got 70 odd not out, I think it was. And then I think next game, Rishabh Pant scored some runs. Surya Kumar Yadav has had back-to-back innings where he's done well. They've had guys backing them up the whole way, Shivam Dubey, Hardik Pandya, that's right. I mean, everybody's chipping in where they need to. So they're not relying on just Virat. They're not relying on just Rohit. It's everybody in the lineup. Yep, Virat's due. We know that, and it could be coming in the next couple of games. So look out, Bangladesh and the other teams in that group. But as I said, it's an all-round team effort at the moment. You know.
And Marty, as you said, I mean, they have a very simple game plan, and they're just following that. They're just executing that, and I think that's the key. That's been not overcomplicating roles and just assigning very simple tasks to each player, and then that player comes and executes. अब अगर हम अफगानिस्तान की यूनिस थोड़ी सी बात करें, a little bit of a problem for them now, back to back matches ना सिर्फ हारे हैं, बड़े रन से हारे हैं, 104 रन से हारे पहले against West Indies, now 47 run defeat against India. अब सुपर 8 में तो आ गए हैं, अब उनके लिए एक ये नया टूर्नामेंट ही है because कुछ कैरी नहीं हो रहा from their first group stage. What do they do now next? And would you change anything in this 11? Considering कि अब उनका अगला मैच ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अगेंस्ट है on the 23rd, not an easy challenge for them. What do you change in this अफगानिस्तान टीम?
रोहा, मैं ये चाहूँगा कि वो अपना रोल जो है ना वो सीरियस लें. बाज़ बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती कि कैप्टन बताएंगे या सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ आपको बताएंगे या हेड कोच बताएंगे. देखिए अब ये सीनियर इनफ प्लेयर्स हैं और देखें जिस तरह इन्होंने क्वालिटी क्रिकेट खेली है अभी तक सोफा, लेकिन 2 मैचों में जो है थोड़ा सा कोलैप्स हो गया, फिर वापस वहीं स्टैंड कर रहे हैं. मेरे ख्याल से इनको अब आके ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि सुपर 8 तक पहुंचना गोल नहीं होना चाहिए, बल्कि यहाँ पे 1-2 मैच जीतना गोल होना चाहिए. क्योंकि आपके पास इंडिया के, ठीक है आज इंडिया के साथ नहीं हो सका, फिर आगे 2-1 टीमें और अच्छी हैं, उनमें से कोई, ठीक है मैं ये नहीं कहता हूँ कि सारे मैच जीत जाओ, लेकिन कम्पीट तो करना पड़ेगा उनको. आज भी अगर मैं बात करूँ तो 25 रन उन्होंने कम किए, जो उनकी पोटेंशियल है, जितने अच्छे वो खेल रहे थे, तो वो उनको करना है. और चेंज बस यही करना है, अपनी मेंटालिटी चेंज करें. ठीक है एग्रेशन भी है उनके पास, स्किल की एग्जीक्यूशन भी है, लेकिन वो उसको करना पड़ेगा. अगर ये इस तरह करके, क्योंकि ये अब सुपर 8 में इनके पास बड़ा अच्छा चांस है. हम यहाँ पे सब ये कह रहे थे कि टॉप 4 में जा सकते हैं, लेकिन जो 2 मैच लास्ट खेले हैं उससे लगा कि शायद वो सिर्फ यहाँ तक पहुँचना चाहते थे. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. दे मस्ट अपनी सारी जो है ना वो थॉट्स इकट्ठे करें और आए कि देखिए हमने सिर्फ यहाँ पहुँचना नहीं था, वी हैव टू कम्पीट हियर, और स्पेशली इन इस ग्रुप में. क्योंकि देखिए ये बड़ा अच्छा मौके होते हैं, यही वो मौके होते हैं जहाँ से आप बिग स्टार्स बनते हो. तो मेरे ख्याल से ये मौका उनको समझना चाहिए कि खोना नहीं चाहिए. क्योंकि देखो हमने देखा है कि हम उनकी यही बात कर रहे थे कि बॉडी लैंग्वेज की बात कर रहे थे, हम उनकी डेडिकेशन की बात कर रहे थे, आज वो कम नज़र नहीं है. क्योंकि एक ही तरह की क्रिकेट खेल रहे, वो आ रहे थे, वो समझ रहे थे कि आएंगे और शॉट लगेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. जब टॉप के बॉलर्स होते हैं, टॉप के इवन बैटर्स होते हैं, तो उनके खिलाफ आपको अपनी जो स्किल्स की एग्जीक्यूशन है उसको थोड़ा सा एनहांस करना पड़ेगा. मेरे ख्याल से अगर वो ये करेंगे तो काफ़ी बेहतर कर. चेंज तो देखें यही टीम खेल रही है, उनकी मोरल यही टीम खेलेगी, लेकिन ये कि उनको बस अपनी थिंकिंग थोड़ी चेंज करनी की. अब उन्होंने कि आगे जब मैच कैसे जीतना है, तो वो ये ना हो कि वो 1-2 मैच और एक आधा मैच और हारेंगे तो फिर वो उसी शेप में आ जाएंगे कि अब मैच कैसे जीतना.
बिल्कुल भी at any point, that's what Yunus was saying as well. Afghanistan have reached the Super 8 stage, but it seems as though this was their the sky, the limit for them. Okay, of course we have qualified for the Super 8s, but this shouldn't be the limit for Afghanistan. They need to soar through, and Erin has the Afghanistan team in her top 4, so I think they really need to pick up that pace again and come back stronger against the Aussies.
Yeah.
Who are you supporting in that next game, by the way?
Oh, well, I mean, obviously my country of origin, as much as I do love an underdog story, go Australia. But, coming back to Afghanistan, I think they're really playing some bad cricket the last couple of games. It's not been their best efforts. We've seen their best efforts, and their best efforts have very lofty standards.
He's working very well on these tracks. He does swing the new ball very well, where he obviously can damage any batsman technique. So I personally feel he's with confidence is really high, and he's executing his skills according to the requirement of the pitch. And he is growing as a fast bowler because couple of years back, as I said earlier, like no one knew about him, but now he's a bowler who basically challenging most of the techniques of the batsmen at highest level. So I think I'm really impressed so far his operation in this World Cup, and that I would say this will give a lot of right confidence to him and also to the Afghanistan team moving forward in world cricket.
Yeah, 15 poles for him so far, Roha. He's been damaging with the ball.
Unreal so far. But let's see what they do next with this, a little break in their momentum and their winning streak. But we were talking...
He's improving. He's accelerating. When it comes to his captaincy, I think he's a good captain. What he needs a bit of a maturity when it comes to batting. chasing is an art. It's not you just go around and slacking and slashing and you're going to get the score. So he needs a bit of a sport. He needs he's got a good management staff, by the way. And Ajay Jadeja was there. I mean, like he has improved a lot when it comes to batting with his feedback, and Jonathan Trout is there. So I think they're doing a wonderful job with the Afghan team. So I'm sure in times to come, look at their management continuation. They're kept on improving. They are not changing the chairmans every day.
Stability.
Stability is there. Stability in any relationship is very important. Either you coach as a team, as a team member, as a other team member, the stability is very important. But they are keeping growing. What they're lacking is a maturity. That's all. There is a certain method to a chase. You can't just मुंह उठाया मारा चक्का मारो चक्के नहीं लगते यहाँ पे. यहाँ तो विकटें बहुत मुश्किल है. यहाँ पे कैसे ऑर्केस्ट्रेट करेंगे आप इनिंग्स को? नीचे ऑर्केस्ट्रेट करना पड़ेगा. वहाँ यूनुस खान उसी पे मारेगा, फीस थोड़ा सामने खेलेगा, गैप में खेलेगा, रन ऐसे आएंगे. रन आ नहीं सकते ना ऐसे. ये अफगानी को सीखना पड़ेगा. T20 की तरह नहीं खेला जाएगा ना, उसको बिल्ड करना पड़ेगा. So I'm sure they will be there very soon.
And he has not let the captaincy take away from his ability with his individual.
He's taking more authority. He also taking the most difficult decisions for himself, because he operating as a captain, and also what he is doing, he is basically bringing the impact into the game. Because as a bowler, he had his duty, his first thing to do for the team is to take wickets at the right time, and that's what he's doing. Because sometimes, as you mentioned, as a captain, you underutilize your own skills. But what he's doing, he's challenging himself against all the opposition to lead from the front. That is really something I'm really happy to see Rashid Khan getting that role once again, because he left earlier because of some political pressures. But now he's there, and I wish him all the best. The way he's leading at the moment, I think it's a right way to move forward for the Afghanistan cricket.
Right, Afghanistan facing the might of all.
आज की वीडियो आपने देखी. वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी, अपनी राय का इज़हार कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर किया करें. अब देखना ये है कि आगे आने वाले मैचेस में किस तरह की पिचेस बनाई जाती हैं, किस तरह की पिचेस में बिहेवियर होता है. और यूएसए की बात करेंगे तो उनकी पिचेस ज़्यादातर नई बनी हुई हैं, और इस वर्ल्ड कप में कोई ज़्यादा चेंज आना उनमें पॉसिबल ज़्यादा नहीं लगता. और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि इस बार हो सकता है कि कोई छोटी टीम जिस तरह यूएसए है या अफ़गानिस्तान की टीम, हो सकता है कोई भी सेमीफाइनल के लिए क्वालिफाई कर सकती है, क्योंकि बाकी टीम्स, अगर श्रीलंका जैसी टीम की बात की जाए तो वो ज़्यादातर फॉर्म में नज़र नहीं आ रही. इसके अलावा जिस तरह की टीम वेस्ट इंडीज़ है, उनका कोई भी पता नहीं, हो सकता है फाइनल जीत जाए, हो सकता है क्वार्टर फाइनल में ही मतलब कि टॉप 8 से ही बाहर हो जाए. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि इस वर्ल्ड कप में कुछ ना कुछ अनइवन हो सकता है. बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस नज़र आ रहे हैं. इसी के साथ आपको कहते हैं गुड बाय. आपसे मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट किसी और वीडियो में.